Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daydrian. Y.A.R.D, Empire and UNESCO give youths a phenomenal International Men's Day. Now Y.A.R.D, Empire and UNESCO honored young men in Kingston's inner city, demonstrating their love and gratitude. Male attendees were given awards ranging from most improved student to most musically inclined. The young men also performed skits and played instruments to entertain the crowd. The event not only highlighted young men, but also shed light on fathers who are still very much involved in their children's lives. Director of Y.A.R.D Empire, Terry Salmon, made it clear that the initiative's goal is to give young men the confidence that they are not alone and that they can become anything they want to be.
I need to give back to my country, and I would like to help these youth at risk and to help them to realize their full potential, because as the Prime Minister said, every ghetto youth can be a star.
Superintendent Beresford Williams also discussed difficulties with the men of North Street Division and thanked Y.A.R.D Empire and UNESCO for lowering problems arising from young people living on the streets. Good initiative.
Our social intervention try to improve the interaction. We have partners that have been helping us, particularly Y.A.R.D Empire through the youth empowerment is one, but a significant partner as well that is impacting both Rose Gardens and Parade Gardens is the STARS team, and they have been doing an amazing job since their entrance into the division.
Unleash the Dragon. Gen X and Rum Stripe present a mythical spectacle for the 2024 Carnival season. The Ruins UWI Visitors Lodge was on fire Saturday night as the Gen X band launch debuted breathtaking outfits made to fit all body shapes.
My costume is called Ragnar. This year we decided to do dragon. So for me as a designer, I'm happy that Gen X stepped out there and just gave us something different, challenging. This is out of the norm. This is challenging us creatives to come out with something.
Mine is called Volcaranus. It's an ancient dragon out of some book, you know what I mean? So we do we think. I work in collaboration with another designer out of Boston called Designing Daryl. And together we put our heads together and we just go crazy.
Shanice Palacios takes the 2023 Miss Universe title, marking the first time in history a Nicaraguan has won the title. She previously represented Nicaragua in the 2017 Teen Miss Universe pageant, placing in the top 10, and in the 2021 Miss World pageant. Palacios described the win as a total shock.
Well, I feel so excited. I was shocked in that moment. Estaba totalmente en shock. I can't believe it, that moment. No pude creer ese momento. And when I saw all the girls and told me that believe it, you deserve it, was amazing. It was incredible.
She added that the win has given hope to her country.
In my country, all the people go to the street and celebrate that moment with a flag. So celebrate this moment because it's history for my country. Is give us happiness and hope and gave us a real victory. So it's amazing for me.
Now, Jamaica's Dr. Jordan Lauren Levy finished in the top 20. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daydrian. Thank you for watching.